Okay guys, so we're finally starting work on this car here, the Volvo V70 XC. We've had this for quite some time. As you know, this is the one with the busted window, back window, and we haven't been able to get it to start, so it's been quite a job trying to replace the fuel pump on this, and Eddie's going to give you a bit of a summary here on what he's been doing and the issues we've been having to this point. Okay, so
alright, so we did this to the old not water pump, but the old fuel pump, and the old fuel pump didn't come on. So now we're going to jump the new fuel pump to make sure it works. So these are labeled. You can see right here it says positive right there, and then negative right here where my thumb is. So we'll do positive right here, and we'll do negative right here. And then we'll turn it on. And nothing.
nothing? Are we supposed to have something?
Yeah, we're supposed to have something.
Okay.
So this one is bad out of the box, maybe.
Holy
Let's
crap.
check it again.
That would really suck. Dang. Okay.
Unless I have a bad
connection? Maybe?
Connection.
Yeah.
Let's find out. Okay. What is the chances? Jeez.
I know.
Can you believe that?
Dang it. What about your connection on these? Is that good?
Well, let's make sure. Hold on a second.
Okay.
We'll try a different color. Jeez. So I gotta retest the old pump now.
Okay.
Sure. That's weird. There he goes.
Okay.
Now I got contact.
Okay, so we've got another wire here, which is looking like it's working. So now we've got to test.
Not sure.
Okay, so time to check the motor again.
What to turn that on here in a second. There it goes.
We have power. There we go. Yep, so we have a working motor, so we know the new one is good before we go
recheck the old
to
one.
the trouble of putting it in the car.
We got the old one.
Okay, here's our old pump right here.
Positive is on this side. Won't give you a lot of room there. Okay.
And we don't power the battery.
Oh, shit!
What the crap?
Gosh.
It works?
Yeah.
How?
Oh, my Lord.
That sucks. Well, then what the crap's wrong with this car?
Well, let's make sure.
I think we just made sure. Oh my gosh, it almost squirted me. Dang, man, how much fuel is in that little thing?
Jeez, yeah. Tell me about it.
Yeah, I see. So that means that motor's good, then something else is going on.
It doesn't mean it's working all the time.
Really? Seems to be working now. That looks pretty strong to me. It looks like it's doing a piss. Okay, now what, babe? Yeah, I guess they kind of look the same. Well,
Yeah. Similar.
Similar.
Okay, so this fuel pump seems to be working. The only thing is that when I was testing the fuel pump, we weren't getting any pressure at the fuel rail, but also sometimes it was starting and sometimes it wasn't. So we're gonna change it out anyways.
Yeah, just in case.
We don't know. When this fuel pump is in a sealed system, we don't know if it's actually putting pressure out. Looks like it's pumping out right here, but sometimes we didn't even hear the fuel pump come on.
Yeah.
You know?
Unless
we hear
there's
the
a
fuel
wiring.
pump coming on right now.
Yeah, unless it's a wiring issue or something. Like it's electrical. Yeah.
Well, we're gonna test it first.
Yeah. So this is the situation right now. Okay, I'm coming. I'm just filming what you're doing here.
So I'm gonna plug this up.
Yeah.
And we'll have you turn the key.
Okay.
And we haven't even checked for power or ground over here.
Yeah.
But we probably should, but we're just gonna plug it back up and see what happens.
Okay.
We might have to have you get in there and turn the key and we'll see
Okay.
if I can, this is kind of tight right here. So shut, okay. Okay,
All right.
go and turn the key. Okay, go ahead. Did you turn it on? Are the dash lights on? Huh? Okay, give me a second. Okay, go ahead now. Are dash lights on? They are on? It's not coming on. Do it again. Again? Are dash lights on? Not coming on. Okay, let me go ahead and pause this because it's going to be hard to reach.
Okay.
Either way, we got to get to the bottom of it.
Yeah,
You know, I mean, it doesn't matter how long it takes at this point. We got to figure out what's going on. Thank God for a power probe, huh?
no. Yeah. So we're going to be using the power probe right here. And
We got a nice long cord.
thank goodness.
We do need.
Yeah. All right, we've got that hooked up to the
Okay,
battery.
so I'm gonna have you go over there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you turn the key.
Yeah.
But I need you to hit the button on the battery pack first.
Okay. All right, I'll do that.
Just came on. So, okay, go ahead and turn the key.
Okay. So I've got to unhook the big clip, the big black clip, right?
Yep.
Then I put it back on again.
Yep.
Then I
And
hit
button
the
on the jump pack.
the
and
on
then go
button.
Turn the key.
And I have to press a little tiny button on the black thing too.
Yes.
That.
Now go turn
Okay.
the key.
All right. Okay. I'm running. Holy crap. Oh, I can hardly get in this darn car.
No battery power.
Shit. Hang on.
You got no battery power.
No.
Button again.
Dang. Okay. Okay. We've got some. Okay. Turn the key. Yep.
Okay. Turn it off.
Okay. Off.
Yep. Now turn the key.
Turn the key on again. It's on.
Okay.
Yep.
Turn it off.
Okay. It's off.
Turn the key.
It's on.
And you get no power, no ground.
Really?
Yep.
Crap. What does that mean?
That means that something is going on
Yeah. With the wiring?
in the wiring. Hold on a second.
Oh. Okay.